Hi viewers, welcome to SEKHAR'S Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. In this video, I am going to explain the process of imbibition. So imbibition, it is a special type of diffusion and it is a physical process. In this imbibition, adsorption or absorption of liquid is by solid substances without forming solution is referred to as imbibition. So imbibition it is a special type of diffusion. It is a special type of diffusion and it is a physical process. In this imbibition, the adsorption as well as absorption of liquid by solids takes place. So without forming solution, it never forms solution. It is the process called imbibition. So imbibition is a process in this adsorption as well as absorption of liquid by solid without forming solution. It is referred to as imbibition. In this imbibition, after receiving or after absorbing liquid, the solid volume enormously increases. It is called imbibition. So in this imbibition, the liquid substance which is absorbed by the solid, this liquid substance is named as imbibate. It is called imbibate. In similar way, the solid substance which absorbs the liquid is referred to as imbibant. So this imbibant can absorb imbibate, then it increase its volume or size in imbibition. So to perform this imbibition, the imbibate, it has some important features. The first important feature is the solid or imbibate, it should be hydrophilic in nature. It should hydrophilic in nature. Along with that, these solids should have low water potential to absorb. So to absorb this imbibate. So because of these two characters, the solid can easily absorb the water or liquid, then it increases its volume or size. So best example for this imbibants, the dry wood and dry seeds. Along with that, some of the molecules present in plant cell like proteins, starch. Along with these, some of the important phycocolloid materials. The best example for this phycocolloids like algin and agar. So both algin and agar are phycocolloid materials. These are the best example for imbibants. But lignin suberin, it never perform imbibition. So during this imbibition process, by taking any one of the solid substance, the solid material, when this solid material, when it is kept in imbibate, at this time the imbibate, it can enters into imbibient, and gradually its volume or size will increases. So during this process, the liquid can be absorbed by the solid with the help of adsorption and capillarity. With the help of adsorption and capillarity, the liquid it enters into solid, then its volume it will be increased. So during this imbibition, due to entry of imbibate into imbibient, inside of this imbibient some pressure is created, and this pressure is referred to as imbibition. Pressure or metric potential. So due to this imbibition pressure or metric potential, prehistoric man can split rocks and boulders into pieces. If by taking a large sized rock, by creating a small pore inside it, when the dry wood is inserted, then by providing water continuously, the dry wood it can perform imbibition, and imbibition pressure will increases. With this imbibition pressure, the rock it will be splitted into two pieces. In this way, prehistoric man can split rocks into pieces with the help of imbibition pressure. Along with that, during this imbibition, the kinetic energy it will be released in the form of heat, and this heat is called heat of wetting. It is referred to as heat of wetting. So the imbibition process or phenomenon can be demonstrated with the help of an experiment. In this experiment, some of the dry seeds are taken in a beaker, and by providing water to these dry seeds, after few minutes we can observe the increasing the size or volume of the seeds by absorbing this water. It is the experiment helps to demonstrate imbibition phenomenon. So in plant body we can observe this imbibition in various conditions. Initially, the first application in plants. In plants, dry seeds with the help of imbibition, the imbibition pressure can break seed coat, then the dry seed it will be germinated. So the dry seeds will be germinated with the help of imbibition phenomenon. So roots it absorb water. Root absorb water initially by imbibition phenomenon. Along with that, the imbibition phenomenon generally we use in our daily life, especially in winter season. So dry wooden doors and windows. So dry wooden doors and windows it become difficult to close and open because of imbibition, because in winter season the more water content present in atmosphere, this water can be absorbed by the dry wooden door and windows, so that it become difficult to open and close. In this way, the dry seeds will be germinated with the help of imbibition. Root absorb water initially by imbibition. In winter season, the wooden doors and windows it become difficult to open and close. All these are the imbibition phenomenons we observe in our daily life.